Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and today's video is a very exciting one because Realme just launched the Realme GT7 and I've been using it for quite a few days right now. And in this video, I'm going to share my first impressions about this device. So let's get started. So here we have the Realme GT7. Let's open it up. We have a SIM ejector tool, a case which looks beautiful with the sandstone texture, some paperwork, and then we have the device. But let's keep it aside and let's see what else we have. And here we have one of the standout features, which is the 120 watts charger with a cable, of course. Now let's talk about the device. The device feels so good in hand and the design is beautiful. The square camera setup and the design absolutely striking. The matte back paired with a boxy frame and the raw metal texture gives it a premium feel, and the precise detailing of the triple camera module looks sophisticated. Now let's talk about the build quality and design. The GT7 really nails the premium feel. The frame has a raw metal texture that you can actually feel, and it feels really great in hand. It pairs beautifully with the matte textured back, which not only looks sleek but also resists fingerprints. One subtle but striking touch is the red accent color on the power button and on the edge of the camera module. The camera module is flat, cleanly integrated and looks cool. All in all, Realme has done a fantastic job balancing aesthetics and ergonomics. Under the hood, the GT7 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400E, a beast manufactured on 4nm processor. And let's talk about power. This beauty is incredibly light at just around 206 grams, making it perfect for everyday use. Plus, I don't know how Realme has managed to fit a massive 7000 mAh battery in this slim form factor, and also paired it with 120 watts of fast charging, which can charge this device up to 50% within just around 15 minutes. The Realme GT7 features a 6.7-inch 1.5K resolution display with 6000 nits at peak brightness. It also features a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and enhanced by Dolby Vision HDR10+. Every video or game looks richer and more immersive. Whether you are scrolling, gaming or binge watching, everything feels smooth. The Realme GT7 features a versatile triple camera setup, featuring a 50 megapixel wide lens, an equally impressive 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x zoom, another 8 megapixel ultra wide with a focal length equivalent to 16 mm. This camera system has me excited. It even supports RAW photo, captures a range of creative modes like time-lapse, long exposure and underwater mode. Here are some shots I have taken with the GT7. What's even more impressive is its video recording capabilities. The Realme GT7 can shoot up to 8K resolution. And if you are someone who values smooth cinematic footage, it also supports 4K videos up to 120 fps. As we all know, the GT series is known for its gaming capabilities, and the GT7 does not disappoint. You can play BGMI at 120 fps for straight 6 hours, which is crazy and seriously impressive. I honestly didn't expect this level of gaming performance. I tested it out with my friends playing BGMI and Asphalt 9. The gameplay was super smooth and immersive. What really surprised me is how well the phone handles heat. It stays cool even during longer sessions. But for a more detailed gaming test and thermal performance, stay tuned for my full review. So that's it for my first impressions of the Realme GT7. Now I'm going to use it, put it to test, and after a week or so, I'll make a full in-depth review of the GT7. And if you don't want to miss that, make sure to subscribe. And while you are here, hit a like and leave a comment. I would love to know what you guys think about the GT7. So that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.